So this is Campfest down in County Kerry in the Railway Tavern Bar. This is a meet-up between all Volkswagen vans every year of camper. We're doing this now, this is the 19th year, and we come back every single year. We only missed 1 year because of COVID, but next year is the 20th anniversary of this, so it should be even bigger. So it's just a bunch of like-minded people coming together and just having a laugh. So if you have an interest in a Volkswagen, it doesn't matter if you've got one, you don't have, you're welcome down.
Few nice campers in here at the Campfest 2023. Today is 22nd of October. Cold early morning. Some vintage campers. T5.1, nice looking one. T3, T6.1.
It's mad that you paint these green and white. Let's get rolling.
That was the venue for few drinks last night.
No, just the all high tech stuff, you know what I mean? I don't any damage up
Is that all bring up?
You wait me, eh? You mad?
sun's starting to come out, everything kind of brightens up.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this time with me. Saturn, body ring. K into my table, there's nothing you bring. I just want blue notes, I just want euros. Smoking on good though, bitch from Pluto. Price like Saturn, body ring. K into my table, there's nothing you bring. I cannot fuck with these fat guys, dripping on and she baptized. Taking her back by her ass, I think she in love with my cash size. Put a little hard like bad vibes, can't give me no cash, bro. Don't get a hobby, counting these racks in my pastime. Got back on me, take a champion, man, with atrocity. My bitch, you look a masterpiece. I'm in a troll like a cavity. If 12 ask me questions, ain't telling shit. I just don't get to the Benjamin. Spend it on my bitch and my battery. Charged up, unless your shit. She and my balls like Eminem. Cry, you know that I'm getting it. I think this shit is evident. I don't do no office, stream on me, entree. Talk to the couch like Kanye. Because 2000, no Andre. I just want blue notes, I just want euros. Smoking on good though, bitch from Pluto. Price like Saturn,